dear friends, welcome to my channel. I am Sorna. I like to share all my drawing techniques and tips with you. Today I am going to show you how to draw Thalapathy Vijay drawing. These are the materials that I am going to use for this drawing. Dawn super soft pencil, grey, black skin color, white, pink, light red, orange, light brown, dark brown, yellow, light green, blue, light blue, violet. Sakura white gel pen, Meccano eraser and kneaded eraser. This is the outline for our drawing. You can learn this outline drawing from my previous video. That video link is given in the description. You can check that. For outline, I am using grid method, so you can learn all the details about the grid method from my how to get perfect outline tutorial video. Okay, let's start coloring. I start coloring from the hair. For hair, I am using grey and black color. With color pencil, use colors from light to dark. We can't get the hair output with a single layer, so try to add more and more layers will give you the exact result. So I color the lighter area or shiny area with grey color. For the remaining portion we can add black color. For the hair drawing, you have to sharpen the pencil very sharp. Thin lines will give you more hair look. Lastly, white gel pen for white hairs. The hair looks like it's having shiny spots. To separating the shiny spots, I'm using grey color. For the total facial skin, I'm using skin color for the base layer. I'm adding orange, red, brown according to the reference. Next, I'm going to color the ear. I'm using light green for the greeny lines in the ear. For the eyebrows, I'm using black color. Around the eyebrows there are a lot of browny spots and brown hairs. For that I am using dark brown color. Observing colors in the reference photo is the most important thing for a realistic drawing. The nose having different shades of orange, skin color, pink and light brown. The lines in the sides of the nose having colors of mixed orange, red and brown. For the shadows or darker areas, I am using red and brown. For some highlighted area, I am using Meccano eraser, and for the pinky stone, I am using pink color. For the face, it have overall mixed of skin color and orange tone. Before coloring the mustache, I am going to color the upper lips. For above the lip line, I am using skin color. This is brown color. I am using black color for the sides of the mouth. For the teeth, first I am using brown color for outline. For teeth, I am using yellow and grey color. Now I am coloring the mustache with black color. Adding dark layers of brown and red to the upper lips. Now I am coloring a lower lips with a base layer of pink. Then I am adding red and grey color for the darker areas. For the beard, some of the area is skin tone or visible through the hairs. For that area, I am using the same colors that I used for the skin tone as a base layer. I'm using brown color for the lightly visible hairs. Now I'm using black color for the beard. For the neck portion, first I am using brown color for the lines in the neck. Next I am adding a base layer of skin color. For the darker shades I am using orange, red, light brown and dark brown. Now I am going to color the shirt with black, red, blue, violet and light blue. For the button, I am using grey color. Adding some white gel pen for white hairs on the beard. Okay, this is the coloring of Thalapathy Vijay sir drawing. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like the video, please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.